Hey everyone, welcome to BajaMate.com. Today we are excited to show you our brand new 2026 steel cast sleeves. We've taken a step up for our second generation and we have molded and cast 3/16 steel sleeves. Our first generation were machined. They were very nice. This is a next level up. Again, our second generation just released in July 4th weekend, 2026. And just a few little differences. We've kept the shape and the size. And for those of you that are wondering, why do I need a steel sleeve? Well, let me tell you, first of all, the plastic ones, 20-year-old technology, they crack, they change shape, they warp, they change colors, and they just look cheap. They're just terrible pieces of equipment. And again, it's 20-year-old technology. Starting a couple of years ago, we started doing steel sleeves, 3/16 quality steel sleeves. The difference is these don't change shape when you put them into the concrete. So the inside doesn't compress, it doesn't get squeezed by concrete or pebble or gunite. So the shape will always stay the same. The quality doesn't rust, it won't crack, it doesn't break, you don't have leaks, you don't have any of those type of problems. And these are great for the deck as well. So not only made for in-pool 24/7 in water, in pool use, but a lot of contractors use these in the deck as well. So you don't have plastic sleeves in the deck. These are very sexy looking. They're very modern looking. The grounding block for those of you putting it in the pool. So you run your copper wire to your rebar and you're grounded, you're good to go. Very clean, very modern looking. We kept the dimensions the same. We didn't change the cap at all. The cap is a press-on, very clean, very simple. No threads to break. You don't need a plier to take them off and break like the plastic ones. These are just absolutely beautiful. We've also kept the leveling tool. So there's a level tool that comes with the sleeve itself, and it helps you align the sleeve in the concrete. When you put in an adapter, the adapter is perfectly straight. You have a perfectly straight table, an umbrella that you can install. The size is the same. Again, machined perfectly for the adapters. So those of you that want to go to a 10-foot, a 12-foot, a 14, and even a 16-foot size umbrella, these will not break, they won't crack, they won't have to worry about any of that. These will last you 20 years easily. Just a far superior piece over the plastic one. So if you're a pool guy, if you're a hardscape, landscape type of guy, there should be no reason why you ever install the plastic sleeves again. It just makes you look bad when you have this type of quality available, and it sets you apart. This is just a whole nother level. This is the way to go. 3-pound sleeve, very heavy, just really best quality that you can do. Don't install the plastic sleeves ever again. This is the way to go. Available at BajaMate.com. Thanks.